Right. So what is the charge account? What is the accrual account? And what is the variance account? Right. Theory part. And so what is the important of that? We already know about that, but we are not configure this accounting segments for the specific charge account and accrual account and variance account. So we can configure that and we can see how we can triggering for our own charge account, own accrual account and variance account, which is already there. We want to change for our own transactional accounting builders. So how we can create those things and how we can getting a reflection of accounts in our purchase order page and requisition page, that we can see it right now. Okay, let's go to the applications. So go to the procurement. Under procurement, the transactional accounting builders are coming from the procurement transaction accounting rules, right? So before that, so which accounts are there? Which accounts are there for our purchasing order level? For what charge account? What is the accrual account? Just want to see which accounts are there. Mhm. If you want to create, you can create it. Otherwise, you can see from the incomplete also. So from here, where we can see distributions level. Under the distribution level, you can see here, there is a 11104, 11104, 11104. So we always be following the account only, not for all the things. We are always following for the account, right? That's for these all are the charge account. So 11104, 11104 for all the accounts level. So let me, so 1110. So this is the one. Yesterday we had this. So this is the account which is reflected on the purchase order page level. Let's go to change all these things and create our own accounts. Okay. So let's go to setup and maintenance. So here go to the procurement transactional accounting builders. So one by one, step by step, you can follow it. Mapping sets. Mapping sets is not a mandatory. Please follow that. If any special condition I want to write, then you can use it. See, for example, if business unit is equal to so and so, right? If buyer is equal to so and so, then such a condition you can write it. If location is equal to so and so, right? In such a condition, you can write your own mapping sets. Okay, clear. First, let's write the same conditions. Okay. So this will be the setups. And so first one is, let's go to the mapping sets one by one. Okay. So let's create a mapping sets. So for each charge account and accrual account and variance account, it needs a separate mapping set. Separate mapping set. Right. So I'll take a condition. Okay, go to here. So this is the mapping set. You can see here, manage mapping sets from the procurement transactional accounting rules level. We have a task called manage mapping sets. Click on that. So if you click on that, number of things are there. Okay, if you want to follow, you can follow. Otherwise, we can create our own. Okay, what is this? So let's create a Tata charge account mapping set. Mapping set. Okay, what is the short name? Tata charge. So this is the Tata charge. So in between, you just put it this like this. So first one is Tata charge account. Just copy this. This is a charge account, right? So here the output type is account combination, segment, value set. So based on this output type, you can get it the outputs like this output. If it is a segment, all the segments are coming into the picture. If it is account only coming into the picture, not for all. Not for all, right? See, for example, I'll show you. If we selected, we cannot delete it. That is a segment. If it is a segment, you can select output as a segment for all the accounts. If it is a value set, so you need to provide the outcome only for values, right? So let's go to the accounting combination. If you want to try, you can try it, other things. Just click on the input sources. For what is your conditions? Under Subledger purchasing, what is your condition? So if you don't know, so what is the condition? Let's search like this. Okay. So I can take, let's take any condition as your wish. Okay. You can see item category attribute, item category segments, right? Line price. So what we will do it? We will take it. This is all about attributes. Attributes nothing but additional informations. Okay. So additional, if any additional information by the DFFs or EFFs, so we are using that. Okay. And number of attributes are there. What I'll do is, yeah, procurement. You can see procurement based on the BU I'm taking. Procurement BU is equal to, so what is our BU? Procurement BU is equal to US1. So you need to select the chart of account. So based on the chart of account only, these accounting things are coming into the picture. Where is our accounting things? Otherwise, how can you get it? Right? So let's select the chart of account and click on here and select your procurement BU. What is our procurement BU? US1. US1 procurement BU. See, here you are selected only for output as a accounting combination. Okay. So your account is what? And your chart of segment is what? If you selected here segment, okay, you need to select all the sequences of segments. Okay, for example, let's select, okay, change this. Now, what is the chart of account? US primary chart of account. Okay. And okay. Here you need to select what is the account. Account company cost center. Line of business. So you need to select this segment. Account intercompany line of business. Let's select this. So then based on this, you can provide your procurement BU. So what is the procurement BU? US one. Line of business. You can select this. Then our chart of account will be populated based on this. That is what? Segment. If you take a value set, it will be the different again. Okay, procurement BU is same condition. See, now the value set is this. If it is a segment is coming into the picture. Okay, now let's click on the value set. So what is our chart of account? Yeah, value set is. So based on the cost center. Where is that cost center? So this will be already coming from the chart of accounts. Okay. If you selected this, so you can make it your conditions. Okay. That is what different types of output type. Account combination. One is for accounting combination. One is for segment. One is for value set. Okay. Value set. Now I am giving first one for better understanding. US. So what is our procurement BU? US one procurement BU and chart of account is. So what is the chart of account which is there? 11104. So I am changing that. See, whatever the account you are provided, it must be the liability account. Liability account, right? For invoice related selections on those things. Now I am giving what is the 11104 is there, HDFC account. Now I am giving 11101. So this is my accounting name. So this will be provided by the client. Don't worry about that. Okay. So this is the account from our charge account. This is the account. Okay. Now, so this is the first charge account is created. Okay. I'm taking all these three as a same account. Okay. So once charge account is created, what is the next one? The next one is Tata. Again, accrual account. Accrual mapping set. Tata accrual mapping set. Okay, this is the next one. We need a 3, right? Charge account, accrual account, variance account. Dot so same accounting combinations. Here, same. What is that? Procurement. BU, business unit is equal to US one. If you want to change the condition, you can change it. Then, so conditions must be satisfied. Then only accounting segments are coming into the picture. Otherwise, you cannot get it. Chart of account is okay. I'm taking 11102. So this is the accrual account. Accrual account. Okay. So I just want to show you. Okay. This is the two. One. Two. Now save and cloud. What is the next one? Tata variance account. Variance mapping set. Variance mapping set. So if any conditions are there, you can use the mapping set. Otherwise, you can hardcore it. Okay. Tata accurate. Name is already existed. Then
Variant chart not equal.
yeah. Procurement BU is same. So what is the chart of account? Yes, chart of account. And procurement BU is equal to, what is that? US one. And chart of account I am taking as a 3. Okay. Now you can see sequence order. Sequence order. First charge account is 01. Variance account is, accrual account is 02. Variance account is 03. Right. Now mapping sets are make a condition wise for the procurement business unit is equal to on purchase order level. Then these accounts are coming into the picture of our accounting builders, right? In the line level of distributions. Okay. That is what the conditions we are prepared. See, mapping sets, create a mapping sets is not a completed task. After mapping sets, you need to associate this mapping sets to accounting rules. Then only next level of setup is completed. First, let's go to the accounting rules. Click on manage accounting rules. Okay. The next task is accounting rules. Accounting rules. Okay, click on this. Okay. Again, what is that? First one. Tata charge. Tata charge rule. Okay, just for your understanding. So it must be caps letter. The first one is Tata charge rule. Now you need to select the chart of account. Name, US primary lecture, US chart of account. This one select and click on OK. So what is the rule? You already created your rule, right? So what is that? Mapping set. So now you need to associate. There is a 3 types of value types. One is for account value, constant, mapping set, source. If you have a constant, you can create it. No need to for mapping sets. If you have a mapping sets, you can take it. Source is nothing but for different types of documents. So that is for the source of accounting rule. Then you can select it. Accounting rule is nothing but if already accounting rule is there, then you can select this. Okay. Now we are creating a mapping set, right? For conditions, select this. So this is a charge rule, right? So for the charge rule level, you need to associate Tata charge account. Tata charge account. Where is that? This one. Now Tata charge account is associated. Tata charge account. Next, what is the next condition? Save and click on this. Next, Tata accrual account. Accrual account. Okay. Tata accrual rule. So remember this, copy these rules, otherwise, so there is a lot of steps are coming, you need to associate. This is one of the important topic from the procurement. Why? Because most of the people are failure to execute this. What is the chart of account? Same accounting combination. Let's take a rule is a mapping set. So what is our mapping set? Tata. What is this? Tata accrual, right? Select. If you write any conditions like procurement BU is equal to so and so, and document type is not equal. Okay, if you want to write any special condition, you can write over here. Otherwise, leave it. So Tata accrual account rule is also created. Then Tata variance account. Variance account rule. So this is the next one. Just copy it. Okay. So 3 accounting rules, 3 mapping sets. So all the mapping sets are associated to rules. Tata variance rule. So the description is same. So what is the chart of accounts? Your chart of account. So accounting combination, yes. And we'll take a mapping set. And what is our variance account? Tata variance account. Just add this. So already this variance account is associated to some accounting combination, right? So system is following the same. Save and close. So all these 3 are created successfully. Is this enough for setup? No. What is the next setup? The next setup is you need to create your own tab account, transactional accounting builders. Okay, then it is make as a complete. Okay, before that, I have another 2 accounts. One is for destination charge account, destination variance account. This will be coming for the intercompany transactions, right? So for that, so you can see destination charge account, destination variance account, purchase destination. So this is the seeded one, purchasing destination charge account. Just copy this. Okay, for just a time purpose. Purchasing destination charge account, purchasing destination variance account. Basically, same rules we need to create, but we are not creating for these 2 rules, right? Total five types of accounts are there, but most of the time from the procurement side, we are following only these 3, but this 2 is coming under the intercompany transactions, right? Intercompany transactions, but we are not making any intercompany transactions from the procurement side right now. So that is the reason we are using the seeded one for the as a accounting rule. Okay, from the transactional accounting builder level. Okay, what is the next task? The next task is go to the manage transactional accounting builder. Okay, definition. This is the task. Okay, click on here. Now click on this manage transactional accounting definitions. Click on this. Now create your own tab account. What is our tab? Tata tab. Tata tab. Just short name is same. So this is our tab. You need to associate this tab to Subledger account. Then only it is working. What is the Subledger? Subledger is the purchasing. Under the purchasing, we have a transactions, right? So here just populated all things. What is the chart of account? Based on what chart of account the segments are populated. So you need to select that also. US chart of account. Okay. Now you can see accrual account, charge account, destination charge account, destination variance account is there. This is the transactional accounting type. right? This is accounting combination rule. This is the segments related. If any specific conditions you want to make it a specific accounting, then you can provide these conditions. Otherwise, leave it. Otherwise, leave it. Okay. Now select accounting combination rules. Rules already created, right? Accounting rules are created. For charge account level, associate the charge account, accrual level, accrual account, Tata. Now let's accrual account. Okay, click on this. What is our accrual account? So Tata accrual account. Select that. Search, not subledger level. Okay, here. Tata accrual account. Select. So under this Tata accrual account level, mapping sets are associated. Under the mapping sets, we have accounting segments. So based on that, it is populated. Next, what is the next accounting rule? Tata charge account. Tata charge account. So for destination charge account related, we are copied some other seeded information. So what is that? This one. Okay. Destination charge account. Let's take a destination purchase destination charge account. Okay, just select it. Then destination variance also we have another one. Okay, what is that name? So for that, I am copied this. So this is the reason I am copied from the seeded one. Okay, these two are we are not created. We are following the seeded information only. So variance account is created, right? What is our variance account? Tata variance account. Tata variance account. Now all the accounting rules are associated our tab. Okay. Now just save is not a working. You need to activate this. First click on save. Okay. Then you can activate it. Then only the tab related functionality is activated. But you need to associate this tab to Subledger account. So the task is completed almost all. So what is the last task? Manage Subledger accounting options. Go to here. Subledger is nothing but see, our house is a ledger. Under house, if you are purchasing something, for example, cleaning related, you are purchasing something, right? So cleaning related will be coming under kitchen. So kitchen is the subledger. Bedroom is the subledger. Hall is the subledger. Okay. And father is the subledger. Mother is the subledger. Children's is the subledgers. Right. School is the subledger. If you are paying the school fees, school is the subledger. Right. Then what else? Any subledgers? If you are purchasing any for bedroom related, the bedroom is the subledgers, right? There is a lot of subledgers which is coming into the picture for specific transaction is recorded on the specific subledger, right? So if your father is spending some time for some money for 10,000 to the kitchen related, right? So that kitchen related subledger will be recorded on that, not for beside of the house. Beside of the house, the kitchen is not be recorded on that. Okay. Now let's tab is this. Okay. Go to the subledger accounting. So what is the subledger? So first you need to select what is our ledger. US primary ledger. US primary ledger. You already know what is ledgers, right? So under this, what is our subledger? Purchasing. If you search blindly, you can get it n number of subledgers. You can see asset is a subledger, right? Expense is a subledger. Cash management is a subledger. Payroll is a subledger. right? Payable is a subledger, lease account, purchasing. So now you are associated your tab to purchasing subledger. Okay, select this purchasing and click on the accounting options. And here IKEA tab is there. Let's change the, what is our tab? Tata. Select it. Clear? So up to whatever things are there, we already associated everything. This tab is associated accounting rule is associated to the mapping set having a segments, accounting segments. So based on that, it is populated. Okay, now save and close. Save and close. That's all. That's all. Now let's refresh the server, run an LDA program for just sake of safety purpose. Now log out and log in the application again. Now click on sign in. Now go to the procurement. Let's create a purchase order. Click on purchase order. So at the time of creating a purchase order, and if you save this purchase order and you submit it, okay, you can see all these segments are populated under the specific task level or not. We can see that. Now go to here and create a order. So select who is your, now you can see where is the condition is, what is our condition? We are writing on the mapping set level. Procurement BU is equal to US1 BU. Then our mapping sets of account segments are populated. Otherwise, if it is a different BU, that cannot be populated. Please remember this. Okay. Clear conditional will be reflected. Procurement BU is equal to US1 BU. So we are writing that condition. Hello. Yeah, sorry, team. There is a delivery for office related. Okay. So procurement BU is equal to this and supplier we are selected. And now click on create. Okay. So this is all about the header information. Header information. And the condition is very clear. Procurement BU is equal to US1. Then our mapping sets will be populated. Okay. Now just in the line level, add a line related requirement. Laptop services. So the category is, just take any category, laptop related category. Yes. The quantity is this and the UM is this. Okay. And the price is something I'm giving price like this. And the location is, you can provide the location. What is the delivery location? Okay. So this is the line information. Under the schedule level, you need to provide what is your requested delivery schedules. So go to the schedules. So click on requested delivery date is today and promised delivery date. Requested delivery date is nothing but requester is requested today I need a material. Promised delivery nothing but the supplier will promise that no, today is not possible. Tomorrow we are providing. That is promised delivery date by the supplier. Okay. So this is the schedules related. So where we can see our accounting related things from the distribution level. See, charge account, accrual account, variance account is not populated. Now it is not populated. Once you save this and validate, okay, then it is coming into the picture. Now you can validate it. If any errors are there, system is throwing the errors. If no errors, system is accepted for the all the things properly. Accrual account combination cannot be used because it is not a liability account. Accrual account. Same issue for yesterday also. Okay. Anyway. So the remaining, if it is not accrual account, remaining accounts are populated or not, then we can see it. See, one is for 01 charge account, 02 is for accrual account, 03 is variance account as for our configuration. 01, 02, 03. We are achieving this, right? See, anyway, this is not a liability account. We call it as it is not a liability account. If you want to take any liability account, the system is where we can see this account is liability account. This is not a this. Okay. So as for our configuration, the accounting things are populated very clearly. Okay. So up to now you can understanding it. Just what I'll do is save and close. Okay. So where we can see this account is a liability account, this account is not a liability account. Okay. Just manage account combinations. So this will be taken care by the finance department. Okay. Don't touch anything. Just want to see account is liability account or not. So what is the value? Add the value field. Enabled. Accounting type is fine. Chart of account. Search. Accounting combination level, we don't have it. Combinations. 100. Chart of account values. So what is our set code search? So this is for general ledger module. One matter, just account code is what is the value? Accrual account 11102. 11102. Okay, this is not the. Okay, what we will do is we'll take any previous account which is successfully created. We will take that. Okay, just go to the purchase orders. Why we need to do all these experiments? Will confuse our. So already closed for receiving is there, right? Just open this. On this purchase order, what account is successfully executed, that we need to take it. So IKEA Bangalore's. Okay, under this, go to the distribution. So here, what is the accrual account? 22210. 222 accrual receipt. Let's take this as a accrual account. Okay. Just replace it. 22210. So where we can change it? Again, you need to go to setup and maintenance. Setup and maintenance. Under the setup and maintenance, right? What is your conditions? Mapping set, right? Under the mapping set. Okay. So what is our mapping set? Tata accrual account. Tata accrual mapping set. Tata accrual mapping set. This is the issue, right? Just click on here. Now, so here you need to change the account. So here you select 222. What is that? 222 22210. Accrual receipts. Right. Search. So this will be the liability account. Okay. Fine. And you can select this is the first date and save this. And click on save and close. So automatically accounting rule level also it is reflected. Just want to re-verify it. Tata accrual account. Okay, this is the mapping set. So what I'll do is just delete it. Again, I can select. Sometimes it is not immediately reflected. Tata, what is this account? I only two is there. Tata accrual account, right? Or you can select this mapping set. Tata accrual account. This one. Okay. Now save and close. So that's it. So again, and the transactional accounting definition also, just double check. Data tab. So this is incomplete status right now. Why? Because so we are changing something, right? So that is the reason it is incomplete status. So you need to do it again, the reactivate. Okay. So reactivate this. So what is that? Tata accrual account, right? Just search again. Okay. Select. Now activate. If any changes are happens, so it will be the inactive. Now it is in active status. Okay. Subledger accounting option level, just verified that if anybody is changing our tab or not. So purchasing. Okay. Fine. Now let's go to, so go to purchase order. Now click on here and create order. If you want to use, you can use the previous one also. IKEA. Okay. Click on create. Okay. So under this line level, you click on, so laptop repairs. Okay. So laptop category. So the price is, you can enter the price. So next level, how we can drag our items to purchase order level, we'll see it next session. So the next session is completely, so it is going for, so transactional related. So please follow for that. This is up to, so whatever the high level setups are there, we are already completed all the high level setups, approval related, tab related. Next level, you don't worry about this. So directly you can execute your transactions. Okay. Now click on validate. Now there is no warnings. Just check whether this populated or not. No, right? Once you save this, then so it is coming into the picture. Now you can see 11101, 2201, 2210 as we provided, right? 2210 and 11103. Okay. Now directly you can submit it. That's what. So this is the way how we can create our mapping sets by using the transactional accounting builders, and how we can developing all the things, right? So that's the final of transactional accounting builders. Yeah. So the PO is created successful. Okay. Under the execution level, just create a PO. Okay. This is just execution process. Is this our accounts are populated or not? So this is the P1. Yeah. Any doubts on this?